What's up, y'all? It's trade breakdown for June 21st. So this morning I took three losses on this account and almost went on tilt to blowing it, but I had to catch myself. And honestly, this is the reality of trading. Like, as much as I share all my winners with you guys, I feel like I should be able to show you guys my losses as well and be fully transparent because that's what trading is. Like, you won't win every trade you take, and like, losses are really inevitable. So like you will lose. And so like this morning, I was impatient. I got in too early and then I had to pay the price. And honestly, it was all my fault. It wasn't the markets. It was just my fault. I've been having a great week actually. I've been having a really good week, and then so it was Friday, so I'm like, let's catch another banger, and then you know, wasn't patient, paid the price, and almost blew my account. So now let's go into the trades that I took. And as you can see, I'll show you the executions. I was all over the place, broke my rules and everything. I really shouldn't be taking this many trades to begin with. It's either two trades or one winner and get off for the day, or one winner and a loser and get off, or just two losers. But as you can see right here, I've taken like 3, 4 trades, and then we're gonna break down what was going through my head and why I took those trades because I was very bullish this morning. So let's start from the 6 hour. So going into the morning, right? I noticed that we had this 6 hour CRT candle right here. So once I noticed that we had this CRT candle and we had inside bars. So as you can see, the 6 a.m. candle opened, came lower, took out the low. So once I noticed that we were gonna like close inside to push price higher. So once I saw that, I was very confident that we were gonna go up in price because we were also in this key level, right? So once I saw that, I'm like, okay, we're gonna be bullish for today. So I dropped down to the 15 minute, right? Dropped down to the 15 minute. I noticed that we had a turtle soup right here with ES, as you can see right here. 15-minute turtle soup. So marked out my soup, and then so I'm like, if price close above this order block, this 15-minute order block, I am going to get in long. And as you can see, we closed above, and then I got in right on the open of the order block. So I got in, and then I was targeting 50% of the range, which was about right here, this high up here. Let me mark it out real quick. So it was, yeah, so it was just like around this area. So I was targeting EQ of the range. And so I got in, and as you can see, got stopped out. Was it this? Yeah, I got stopped out. So once I got stopped out, and then price came back. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I got stopped out, and then I got in again. Actually, yeah. I got stopped out, and then price came back to that same order block, and then I decided to go long again. So that's my second mistake. I got in again after being stopped out, and so I was stopped out, and I was already what, like I almost hit my daily limit for the day, my daily loss limit. So after that second win, not win but the loss, it was bad. So and then the move that I was expecting, the move that I was anticipating, finally happened. So once the move that I was anticipating happened, which was right here, this was the move that I've been waiting for. And the reason I got stopped out on all these right here on these two trades is because the purge didn't happen at the key time that the purges usually happen, which is 10 o'clock for me, around like 9 to 10 o'clock. And as you can see, we had this purge right here, literally 9:45, 10 o'clock. This is perfect A plus setup. So as you can see, boom, we had our soup right here, right? And then we came across another problem. I did, for me, just user error. So as you can see, I was waiting for this 15-minute order block to be confirmed. Right, so boom, order block, right? You know, this is what's going through my head right now. A plus setup, close above this order block, and I'm gonna get long. So then I drop down to the 5 minute, right? So I'm like, I have one more trade, and if I get in two, like one more like drawdown, the account is done for today. So I told myself, let's wait until price comes to this 5 minute order block because down close, thick down close candle that took out the lows with the turtle soup. That's really high probability. So I told myself, let's wait till price comes back down to this 5 minute order block, right? But nope, it's not what happened. So once this candle closed above the 15 minute, I got impatient and decided to get in right here. As you can see, got in right there at the open and then came back down, hit some drawdown, and then I automatically got stopped out. And then as you can see, you see two arrows. I actually got in with two minis. That's another user error that so that means more drawdown. And so I barely had any room to go into any more drawdown. So they automatically closed the account. And as you can see, price went right where to I wanted it to, like right to my TP, which would have been around this area. And look, this was let's mark out 160 handle move. And I would have caught what if I would have just waited for price to come to my entry. I would have caught 15 handles of that 160. And like, honestly, it's nobody else's fault but mine, honestly. But like, luckily, I ended up catching this trade on another account. But like, just this account right here, I don't know why. Like, I just went on tilt this morning. I decided to be impatient and really pay the price. And like, but luckily, I was able to catch it on another account. But like, next week, I need to be better. And this is really just the reality of trading. Like, I was anticipating this price action all morning. As you can see, I've been on a chart since 7. And I don't know why I was taking trades at 7. I never take trades before market open. Never. And then, but I decided to take a long right here. No reason why. Because the purges usually happen from 9 to 10. That's the key time. And that's when we tapped inside of this key level right here. So, like, I really just wasn't thinking, it was Friday. I wanted to get in the trade since I was at my desk at, 7 already. So I wanted to get longs, and as you can see, stopped out. And then when the actual purge happened, I wasn't able to, get the full move because I was stopped out automatically because of the maximum daily limit loss. So that happened, and then almost blew the account, but luckily, you know, I didn't. And we have next week. So next week, I'm just gonna, take it slow, just really practice my patience, and get back to it. It's really the reality of it. Just gotta continue to work on myself and get better, and then the profits will come. Like, I'm able to call moves like this out live on. I called this out live on Discord, but I wasn't able to participate because user error. I broke my own rules and missed the entire move. But it happens. I journaled. Now it's just time for me to get better and make sure this don't happen again for a long time. And that was the breakdown for today. And let me know if you guys have any, comments or any questions in the comment section.